left the city in a cloud of dust, with nothing but the rhythm that we trust. 1,000 miles just to see this light, to burn like fire in the deep of night. I feel the static jumping off your skin. This is the moment where the gods begin. The main stage opening, the gates are wide. We're throwing all our worries to the side. I can hear the voices rising from the crowd, shouting